Hello friends, in this video I am going to discuss Air Prevention and Control of Pollution Act. In June 1972, the United Nations Conference on the Human Environment held in Stockholm to take appropriate steps for the preservation of the natural resources of the earth, which among other things include the preservation of the quality of air and control of air pollution. India also participated in this conference and subsequently implemented the act to preserve the quality of air and control of air pollution. So in this video, I will discuss the provisions described in Air Prevention and Control of Pollution Act. So let us understand first what is Air Prevention and Control of Pollution Act. An act to provide for the prevention, control and abatement of air pollution for the establishment with a view to carrying out the aforesaid purposes of boards for conferring on and assigning to such boards powers and functions relating to thereto and for matters connected therewith. Now the question is, what is meaning of air pollution? Air pollution means the presence in the atmosphere of any air pollutant. Now the question is, what is meaning of air pollutant? Air pollutant means any solid, liquid or gaseous substance including noise present in the atmosphere in such concentration as may be or tend to be injurious to human beings or other living creatures or plants or property or environment. Now the next question is, what is Central Pollution Control Board? Central Pollution Control Board, constituted under Section 3 of the Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1974, shall without prejudice to the existence and performance of its powers and functions under that Act, exercise the powers and perform the functions of the Central Pollution Control Board for the prevention and control of air pollution under this Act. Now the question is, what are the functions of Central Pollution Control Board? Following are the important functions of Central Board. The Central Board shall be to improve the quality of air and to prevent, control or abate air pollution in the country. In particular and without prejudice to the generality of the foregoing functions, the Central Board may advise the central government or any matter concerning the improvement of the quality of air and the prevention, control or abatement of air pollution. Plan and cause to be executed a nationwide program for the prevention, control or abatement of air pollution. Next, coordinate the activities of the state boards and resolve disputes among them. Provide technical assistance and guidance to the state boards, carry out and sponsor investigations and research relating to problems of air pollution and prevention, control or abatement of air pollution. Plan and organize the training of persons engaged or to be engaged in programs for the prevention, control or abatement of air pollution on such terms and conditions as the Central Board may specify. Organize through mass media a comprehensive program regarding the prevention, control or abatement of air pollution. Next, collect, compile and publish technical and statistical data relating to air pollution and the measures devised for its effective prevention, control or abatement and prepare manuals, codes or guides relating to prevention, control, or abatement of air pollution, lay down standards for the quality of air, collect and disseminate information in respect of matters relating to air pollution, perform such other functions as may be prescribed. Next, the Central Board may establish or recognize a laboratory or laboratories to enable the Central Board to perform its function under this section efficiently. The Central Board may delegate any of its function under this Act generally or especially to any of the committees appointed by it, and do such other things and perform such other acts as it may think necessary for the proper discharge of its functions and generally for the purposes of carrying into effect the purposes of this Act. So, this is all about Air Prevention and Control of Pollution Act.